where's the bird? Look, we have Molly and Arthur who've just landed. And I think I've just missed him doing his display. There he goes. There he goes. Look out, Pippin. Oh, no, that's Luna. Here they are. Aren't they beautiful? Oh, pretty birds. Where are they, hey? Beautiful boy. Where's Spike? See? Hello, Molly and Arthur. Hello. And there's Luna Bee. And there's Spike. Around the edge here. Oh, you want to talk to the camera, don't you, hey? Whoop! What happened then? Everybody flew. Was there a big bird? See, and there's little pig. Poor little pig wants to come out and have a fly. Poor little Pigwidgeon. See? Pippin and Luna. Oh, I see. The Maggie's being bully. Where are they, hey? Here they come. Hello. Hello, my lovelies. Hello, pretty. Look at her. Where's the bird, Spike? Where's the bird? You gonna tell those birds? Hey, tell those birds, Spike. Ooh, what was that? They all took off because Courtney walked past. Oh no.